guys, it's DJ Girl in here, and what are we doing today? We're gonna play some roller coasters, and if you didn't know, I'm gonna do the funniest one for last. It's really funny. I tried it. It was my first one trying it, and guess what? I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not saying that. So we're gonna start ride a roller coaster to heaven. That's not true. I was riding that before, and it's just like the Yeti ride at if you guys been to Animal Kingdom before in Orlando at Disney World or Disneyland, this is kind of like it. So we're gonna start right now. I don't want to talk that much. So you guys with me, and tomorrow, guess who you're gonna see? This dude is leaving without me. No. Here we go. Okay, I wish that music was on. I love that music. I'm so scared today. Ah! Whee! Oh no, are we going up there? Are we going up there? Are we going up there? I know we're going up there. I did this already. Dun 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 dun. We're gonna fall. Da! Whee! Go forward, guys. He's ready to just go. Drop. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm not scared. Even if I'm about to happy cry, ignore it. I'm about to happy cry, guys. Ignore it if I happy cry. This is so much fun. I'm about. Okay, thanks. No! You didn't even make it! But I guess he did though. He's creepy. He's so creepy. If you guys see that guy, just run. He's so creepy. It's Azlafor, I don't know his name. So let's go to the next ride. That was annoying. And bye-bye, dude. Bye. So now we're going to do a gymnastics game. Okay, one more roller coaster. Okay. Here's the one I wanted to show you. It's that one. Which no one is playing with. Let's go! To the earth. It says roller coaster. It's so boring. Ignore the sounds. My parents are working. When are you? Yay! Let me show you what happens on this roller coaster. It's really not cute. It's just a little bit cute. Nobody cares. Hooray! Yeah, you guys are gonna be like, when you see this ride cute. Who's ready? Go straight up. Down, 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 down. Worse today! The last time, it fell and it went off. That was so weird. But now we're going to a gymnastics game. See how good I am. Okay, we're doing one more roller coaster. I can't handle the roller coaster. Okay. I'll meet you there. okay, maybe a little bit too much. We're coming in the game. We're going in the game. Land in the middle of nowhere. That's kind of not cute. We need to go. No, I wanna ride. No, I don't get to ride. Not cute. What happened? And then how does he get around and we don't? That's not cute and not. Woo! Da 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 la la da 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 woo! Da 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 la da da la da da woo! Da da la da 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 da. We are finished. Bam! Memories. Memories. What? I'm gonna just sit here and wait for the roller coaster.
I can go, babe. I don't mind going. Pen fed? Working cat.
Hey!
I love you, Kenzie.
I love you.
You're the best.
I love you.
Have a great day, okay? I'll see you. No, you don't like this.
cars here. Hey, we're just trying to have fun. Hey! Why is she yelling? How's it any fun? Thanks. No thanks.
Okay.
No! Guys, nobody does understand you guys. No, step on the tracks. Press that purple button.